Balakrishnan, and I'm here with the connected doctor. And what better person can talk about Tycon Midwest 2016? And this is Dr. Ashok Jain. He is the Senior Vice President and Chief Medical Officer of Beaumont Wayne, which is part of Beaumont Health. So, how are you doing, Dr. Jain?
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing good. So, Dr. Jain, you have seen Ty evolve as a chapter here in Detroit, and with Tycon Midwest, you've been following all the news. So, tell us a little bit about how you feel about Tycon Midwest 2016.
In fact, I am pleasantly surprised, about how it all came about. And about a year ago, Tal and I met for lunch, and he talked about Tycon Midwest 2016, and he was talking to me about the main theme was digital health, and it's a very exciting topic, as well as there's a lot of innovation going on in medicine, and healthcare IT is exploding. And as we talked earlier, healthcare IT is the last to evolve as compared to the IT sector in financial industry.
Outside of being a part of Beaumont Wayne, you're also, an entrepreneur, and you're an angel investor as well. And so you're quick to spot the products out there that benefit the healthcare world. So, according to you, your perspective, why is healthcare innovation lagging behind, or rather slow to catch up with mainstream?
It's a very interesting question. As you may know, that healthcare industry works on very thin margin or very small profits. So there is not enough disposable cash to reinvest. And this all changed with Obamacare and some of the mandates from the government. And the biggest healthcare payer is United States government.
Oh, really?
2/3 of the dollars in healthcare come from government. So it's more like a government program, you can call it. And they mandated having the electronic medical records, electronic health records, healthcare exchanges with Obamacare, and that created a big need and demand for IT in healthcare, and that also changed the landscape in a big way, because previously, as lot of our, whenever you went to a doctor, you had a test done in doctor's office or at the hospital. Doctor and you have the records, hospital has the record. Next time you go to another healthcare system, they repeat the test because they don't have the previous results. So there was a big need of electronic medical records and information sharing amongst the healthcare systems, or that's what created a big demand, because there was a lot of duplication of tests. It was costing a lot of money to the consumer, to the payers, to the insurance companies, and to the government, because they are the biggest payer. So that's what I think pushed healthcare IT into this sphere where there is so much now spending going on all over the country, and even all over the world in healthcare IT. And with new innovations in digital health and telemedicine is going to be very big, because there is a huge shortage of healthcare providers, physicians, physician extenders who are physician assistants or nurse practitioners. There is a short supply, and in rural areas, virtually there is no provider in many smaller villages and towns. And now with the expansion in IT and with digital health and with internet and connectivity, now a patient in small village or small town has access through telemedicine to the doctors or providers. So that field is going to explode in the next 3 to 5 years.
Well, that's very, very insightful. So of course, with Tycon Midwest, we're bringing in the whole aspect of, healthcare innovation. So I'm sure you're excited to be a part of it.
Yeah, I'm really excited to be part of it. I look forward to being there on
27th and 28th.
And 28th on Thursday and Friday, and you have a excellent lineup of the speakers. And I was really surprised how you and Tal and your team together were able to pull some of the big stars in the healthcare industry and the big investors.
So thank you. So if you have to meet with our connected doctor, Dr. Ashok Jain, and others from the medical fraternity, be there at TiCon Midwest 2016, October 27th and October 28th at the Henry in Dearborn, where it all started. You can visit us and register for the conference at www.ticonmidwest.org. See you there.
I hope to see you all there at TiCon 2016 on 27th and 28th. It will be a very exciting program, and the theme is digital health.